recent business scenario, data processing has become an important factor for managing smooth data operations. With the rapid development of raw unstructured data and its processing, the demand for structured data and process management have become important for business organizations. However, organizations are facing roadblocks in effective implementation of data processing and feature engineering strategies. These obstacles involve managing and preprocessing of large databases, data transformation and customized relevant features that drive meaningful data insights. AGI Brains powered DOCBrains conquering these challenges to enable the full potential of data-driven insights and improving overall organizational performance. It enables businesses to generate valuable data insights and make sound decisions using data analysis. DOCBrains is equipped with feature engineering, also known as customized data extraction, which plays a vital importance in data processing. It involves customized selection, extraction, conversion and development of new features from raw unprocessed data.